Wow, that looks absolutely delicious. Now, it's that time of the morning where you need to grab your diaries because there's a lot of interesting and big events happening in and around the country this weekend. Now, in Johannesburg, the Joburg Arts Alive International Festival is hosting Dance Umbrella 2, and it's an annual event brought to you by the city of Johannesburg. Now, the Dance Umbrella 2 is a program of new contemporary artworks presented in partnership with Arts Alive and the city of Johannesburg. Don't miss a variety of different dance programs which will be presented at venues across the city: The Space, the Market Theatre, the Dance Factory and Museum Africa. More details can be found at www.artslink.co.za. Now, moving over to the mother city in Cape Town, the Wynberg Military Base will host the second installment of the mother city's premier mixed martial arts fight league on Saturday, the 8th of September 2012. Now, Cape Fight League also provides fighters with a much needed fighting experience and a platform to showcase their talents. You'll get to see live entertainment, the return of the CFL official ring girls, and 14 top fights, which will all lead up to the main event. Now, this is going to be a title fight between light heavyweight fighters Craig Fourie and Chris Dupont. Definitely not to be missed. Now, 5 lucky Cape Town viewers will each win themselves a set of double tickets to attend the Cape Fight League 2 this weekend. All you have to do is SMS the word FIGHT plus event, your name and city, to 33728, and those tickets could very well be yours. And then finally, in Durban, the Sunday Times Eastern Bridal Fair is happening this weekend. The event has, of course, grown from just a bridal preparation to an important special social event on the Durban calendar, and it's going to include glossy full-color magazine and, of course, fashion show. This is an event that is not to be missed. If you would like to go, all you have to do is SMS the word event and bridal, your name and city, to 33728. 5 lucky Durban viewers will each win themselves a set of double tickets to the Eastern Bridal Fair this weekend. Lots and lots happening. I hope you took down all of those details. Now, Kat's going to be talking to one of the men in this country that is probably the funniest comedians in this country. Feel free to laugh out loud.